What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at XRP. Now, there are two major factors that are, playing as a huge determinant on what XRP is about to do right now. So, good morning to each and one of you guys, depending on when what time you are watching or where you are watching. I'm here to analyze XRP. So, we analyze the price action, and as you can see, if you've been keeping up with my XRP videos, you would realize that the lines have kind of adjusted, the support levels have adjusted. That's because I adjusted the fib level. So now we could see it clearly that this red line right here is the 100 EMA, 100 weekly EMA. This red line you are seeing right here is the 100 weekly EMA. And also you could see also that this is also a fib level right here. This level is a fib level. This level also is a fib level. This is a fib level, fib level. So yep, just wanted us to take note of that. Now you could see that by looking at this chart right here, this weekly chart, you could see it clearly that we dumped below this level all the way down to 1.17. You could see that we also managed to rally all the way from here to this level right here, which is roughly 26%. That's to show you that XRP is still very, very strong, though there is a volatility. And I keep on saying to us that we should not ignore this Weex right here. Yeah, we shouldn't ignore this Weex right here. So you could see it clearly that as I will make it known to us that we are still likely going to drop towards this level at 1.09 because you could see we almost hit the $1 level. So I think we're most likely going to be hitting this level at 0.96 before probably rallying much higher. And you could see also right here that just in case XRP decides to go really bearish, extremely bearish, we could see it clearly right here that there is a level of support right here. There is something for us to hold on to, which is 0.5 level. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, that is actually a very good level to be buying XRP. So you can start, if you think that XRP is meant to go much lower, especially given the fact that it went all the way up from 0.488, then I think and you are so delusional enough to feel that XRP is meant to go below $1, then I think this is the level you should be placing your buy order, between 0.486 to 0.55. So yep, that's just basically it right here for XRP. Now what I want us to understand is the fact that we could see, or we can see clearly, that this is actually a very critical level. Now within this level right here, you could see this is where the weekly 200 EMA is, and this is also the level at which we broke below the 200 EMA and we reclaimed that level. We closed this weekly candle last week above the 200 weekly EMA, and you could see also that we also started this week's weekly candle above the 200 EMA, not just above the 200 EMA, but we are also above this level at 1.427, so or 1.424. So I think it is obvious right now where I am driving at. So currently right now, I would say that XRP is strong. Now I can move to the 4 hours time frame to show us what I really want us to see. Now from the daily right here, you can see the XRP is even holding really strong around this level at 1.424 level. So what we should be expecting is, since we've kind of found support around here, though there is not much volume right now to keep XRP rallying massively, but all we definitely need for XRP to do is hold this level. XRP doesn't need to break below 1.424. All we definitely need to see XRP do is probably rally into this resistance right here at 1.577. Maybe we end up consolidating around that level, break out, find support, and maybe we could rally much higher, in as much as we are sure that XRP is less likely going to be breaking below, sorry, less likely going to be breaking above this resistance right here, because trust me, this is a very major resistance for XRP, as we can see. In case you don't know, this resistance right here is something very, very important for XRP. And if you've noticed, other coins also have a major resistance, downtrend resistance like that. So we could end up seeing XRP, rallying into this level at 1.8, and we end up getting a major rejection from this level, which is this major resistance right here, and we end up dumping even lower to where all this week started from, whereby you end up seeing us dropping into this level at $1. $1 would definitely be a very good psychological level to XRP. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting, because also we shouldn't also forget that the moment we break below this level right here, now we are currently at the 4 hours time frame. The moment we break below this level at 1.4, we are most likely going to be heading towards this downwards level right here. So I think we should definitely have this at the back of our mind, that from the 4 hours time frame we need to stay above let's say the worst case scenario we can stay above is 1.389, because the moment we break below this level, we are most likely going to be retesting and dumping even much lower today into this level at 1.257. So I think this is definitely what we should have in mind for XRP today. So yep, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.